Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace and blessings. Welcome back to West Coast Finest. Yes, today I'm going to be bringing you a beautiful style. My client here has some hair loss and some damage on her edges and her sides, but no more worries, ladies, because yes, today I'm doing these beautiful goddess twists. Crochets. Yes, look how beautiful this ombre color is. It's black, it's purple, and then it goes right into a beautiful blue color. Look how beautiful that is. And today, what I'm going to be using this silicone weaving cap to create this crochet style. Yes, this cap has a silicone strip, and look how beautiful this style turned out. This is a style you do not want to miss. It is absolutely beautiful, and I am creating it with what? Again, this silicone cap. Yes, it is a game changer. You can order it now on my website. So let's jump into this video.
Introducing our new all-natural body butter, allowing your skin to feel rich as royalty.
Are you looking for the perfect 100% all-natural body butter to lavish and nourish your skin? Well, this is it. You have found it. Okay, fam, so I'm going to start with her braid pattern. Because the damage that she had on her edges, I did those braids kind of coming down and then to the back because I didn't want to pull on her edges and cause any more hair loss. The middle, I'm braiding from side to side, which is going to give her a flatter look at the top. And again, I'm going to be using the silicone cap, and that's going to protect her hair as well. So continue to watch how I finish off this braid pattern, and then we're going to jump right into these crochets. Again, these are some goddess twists. Yes, and it's a beautiful ombre color. I am so in love with this color. It is simply beautiful, vibrant, and the colors are perfect for the summer. So here is the silicone cap that I'm going to be using. Yes, this silicone cap is a game changer, especially if you want to protect your sides, your edges, if you have any hair loss, any hair damage, or even if you have thin edges or thin sides. Yes, it says right here that eliminates headaches. They are good for wigs. And it has the strip going all the way around, which is 360. And the cap is very durable, and it stretches up to 24 inches in circumference, meaning it does fit those who have larger size heads. So here I'm going to apply or put on her silicone cap, and then I'm going to show you how I customize it just to fit around her ears. I want to make sure that it's very comfortable for my client, as well as the silicone that just clings to your skin. That prevents it from moving, shifting, or sliding. So yes, here's that strip. Look at that strip. It goes all the way around the cap, the whole perimeter. Yes, I love it. And look how stretchy it is. It is stretchy, it is durable, and I am going to create a beautiful crochet style using this silicone cap. You can purchase this on my website. The link is below in the description. So go down to the description below this video, look for the link, click it, and it'll take you right to our website where you can purchase it. The price is very affordable, and you can reuse it. So yes, again, here is the cap, and I'm going to install it on her head, making sure that that silicone cap lays across her forehead and the rest of the perimeter of her head. Yes, look at my client. She is gigging to the beat. So continue to keep watching, and I'll be back with more details. OMG. So look at these crochet twists. Yes, these are the goddess twists and they are beautiful. So here I am starting to the crochet and I am using my twist method. Yes, I use this twist method to make sure that the knot that I'm creating is nice and tight. I want a nice, tight, firm knot to make sure that her crochets stay nice and neat, especially around the edges or the perimeter of her head. So yes, again, you will see me winding my crochet. I take the crochet, needle and latch, I hook it through, and then I wind it up, and then as you can see I just winded it with my finger this time, but I go back and forth. I use the needle and I use my finger, but again that method is just to make sure that that knot gets nice and tight. So if you're having a loose knot and it doesn't fit tight enough, then do that method. It's really convenient and it's really easy to use. So here I'm just going to start filling it in, making it nice and full. This is going to be a beautiful style. Again, this is a style you do not want to miss. So keep watching it to the end and see how this beautiful ombre color looks. Oh my gosh, this style really went really fast. It doesn't take a long time. So if you're looking for a style that's cute, easy, durable, lasts long, and you want to use this silicone cap, again, you can order it on my website below. Try it and see if you like it. I mean, it really is a game changer. My client loves it. This is her. So again, I'm going to continue to keep crocheting, and I am going to not say anything else until this style is completed. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Support me by please hitting that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Let me know if there's any particular styles that you would like to see, anything that you are interested in seeing with alopecia, hair loss, or any hair damage. Thank you so much again. Much love to all my subs. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time. Oh my God, look at this beautiful style. It is absolutely amazing and gorgeous. Look how this silicone cap is laying in the front. You can hardly even tell that it is there. It is making her edges look nice and full. So yes, if you are experiencing any hair loss, any thin edges, damaged edges, and you want that fullness on the side, please try this silicone cap. It is absolutely amazing. Look at this, and this color is just gorgeous. I love this ombre color. Look at those edges, and this protects her edges so that her edges will be secure, they will be protected, and it will prevent any more additional hair loss. So again, if you haven't tried this silicone cap, tap the link in the description below to get your order in today. The prices are very affordable, and look at again at this beautiful style. Thanks for watching, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what you see on this channel. Again, thanks for watching.